you ever seen anything like it? There's a whole tree laid on top of 2 mausoleums. Maybe 3. Look at the roots.